Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR M400 and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time on this watch. Let's start by pressing the up or down button to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the settings option, and once you find it and select it, press the middle button to enter. Now, scroll through the menu, select the watch settings, and once you select it, press the middle button. And here we have time, date. And to change the time, simply select the time option, press the middle button, select the preferred time format, then press the middle button, then adjust the hour, minutes, and once you're done, the time will be set. Next we have the date. Select the date, press the middle button, then select set date, change the day, month, and the year, and then press the middle button to confirm. You can also change the date format if you want by selecting one of 3 formats. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the date and time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.